Good morning, students. Today we are going to start GP, that is geometric progression. It is a sequence A1, A2, An. It is called a GP if each term is non-zero and AK plus 1 upon AK equal to R for K greater than equal to 1. Means if the ratio of consecutive terms of a sequence is constant, then we call that sequence as GP. And this constant ratio, it is called the common ratio. For example, we have seen here a sequence 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on. If we find the ratio of consecutive terms, we will get 4 by 2, that is 2, 8 by 4, 2, 16 by 8, again 2, means the ratio of consecutive terms is constant, so this sequence is a GP. This sequence is also a GP. When you find the ratio minus 1 by 27 divided by 1 by 9, it is minus 1 by 3. Next one, 1 by 81 divided by minus 1 by 27, that is also minus 1 by 3. It means here also the ratio is constant, so it is also a GP. In third one, if you find the ratio of consecutive terms, you will get 0.01. Here also the ratio of third and second term is 0.01. So it is also constant, so this sequence is also a GP. If we denote the first term by A and the common ratio by R, then the standard form of GP will be A. The next term will be A into R. जैसे आप यहाँ से निकालेंगे तो A2 upon A1 equal to R, so A2 is equal to AR. Then next one will be obtained by multiplying it with R, so it is AR square. Again it multiply it with R, you get AR cube and so on. So we can write the general term of a GP as the nth term will be A R to the power n minus 1. जब second term थी R की power 1, third term में R की power 2 था, तो nth term में R की power n minus 1 हो जाएगा. So this is the formula for the general term, nth term of the GP. Now how to find the sum of n terms of a GP? Let us denote the sum of n terms by Sn. Then Sn will be A plus AR up to AR to the power n minus 1. If R is 1, it becomes A plus A plus A up to n terms, that is NA. Then we have, if R is not equal to 1, then multiply it with R on both sides, we get R Sn equal to AR plus this up to AR to the power n. Now subtract second equation from the first one. You will get 1 minus R into Sn. Sn कॉमन लेने के लिया यहाँ से, और राइट हैंड साइड में फर्स्ट टर्म बचेगी A और लास्ट टर्म AR टू द पावर n. बाकी सब टर्म्स कैंसिल आउट हो जाएंगी. सो फ्रॉम दीज टू टर्म्स टेक A कॉमन, then we are left with 1 minus R to the power n. From here we get Sn equal to A R to the power 1 minus R to the power n upon 1 minus R, or we can also write it as R to the power n minus 1 upon R minus 1. न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर से माइनस कॉमन लेने के बाद हम ये भी लिख सकते हैं. So this is the formula for n terms of a GP. So let us do few questions based on it. This is the first question of the exercise. Find the 20th and nth term of the GP. अब किसी भी टर्म को निकालने के लिए हमें दो चीज़ों की आवश्यकता होती है, एक तो फर्स्ट टर्म A और एक R, कॉमन रेशो. सो फर्स्ट टर्म वी नो दैट इट इज़ 5 by 2. वी हैव टू फाइंड R. सो R इज़ द रेशो ऑफ सेकेंड एंड फर्स्ट टर्म, दैट इज़ 5 by 4 divided by 5 by 2. So it is 1 by 2. So R is half. Now we can find any term. So the 20th term will be A, that is 5 by 2, R to the power 19. यहाँ बेस सेम है डिनोमिनेटर में, तो पावर्स ऐड हो जाएंगी, सो इट बिकम्स 5 upon 2 to the power 20. इसी तरह से nth टर्म अगर फाइंड आउट करनी तो इट विल बी A into 1 by 2 to the power n minus 1. Again in the denominator powers will be added, so you get 5 upon 2 to the power n. Next is the 5th, 8th and 11th term of a GP are P, Q and S. Show that Q square equal to PS. 5th term is given P and 5th term is AR to the power 4. It means AR to the power 4 is P. 8th term is AR to the power 7, that is Q, and 11th term means AR to the power 10, and that is given S. Now we have to prove Q square equal to PS. So let us take first Q square. Q square means AR to the power 7 whole square. That becomes A square R to the power 14. And on the right hand side we have PS. So multiply this first and third equation. We get AR to the power 4 into AR to the power 10. That is also A square R to the power 14. It means Q square equal to PS. Next is, which term of the following sequence is 128? मीन्स हमें बताना है इस सीक्वेंस की कौन सी टर्म की वैल्यू 128 होगी. मीन्स n निकालना है हमें a भी पता है. We can find r also from here, and we also know an. This is an. So we have to find n. So using the formula for an, we can find the value of n. Here the common ratio is 2 root 2 divided by 2, that is root 2. Common ratio आ गया. a भी पता है हमें. So we can write the formula for an. An is a r to the power n minus 1, and that is given 128. Put the value of a and r as 2 and root 2. Then divided by 2, it becomes 64. ये root 2 है और ये 64 को हम लिख सकते हैं 2 की पावर 6, और 2 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं root 2 का होल स्क्वायर. सो इट बिकम्स root 2 to the power 12. अब दोनों साइड का बेस सेम है तो हम पावर्स को इक्वेट कर सकते हैं. सो n minus 1 is 12. So we get n equal to 13. That's all for today. Thank you.